Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing conditional logic. And what conditional logic is, it's if statements and else statements. And to do this, we can have a few variables. We have a variable called is tall, and we can make this false. Variable called is male, we can make this true. And we can have a variable called is strong, and we can make this false. So these are the variables we're going to put into the if statement. What an if statement is, it has a condition inside the parentheses. And if that condition is true, then it'll play whatever is inside the braces. So we'll have if is male equals true, and these signs make the condition say if that one and the other condition is true, then you can play. Or you can do or. If this one or the other condition is true, it'll play. When you use or, it only means one of the conditions have to be true. When you use and, it means both have to be true. Is tall equals false. And inside we can put print line. You are a tall male. And we can copy this and paste it. Copy it and paste it. So with this one, if we just copy and paste, but if we put in an else if statement, what an else if statement is, it's the same thing as an if statement, but if this condition isn't true, it'll move on to this condition. After that, there's one more condition is called else. And what else is if none of these conditions above it is true, anything inside of this would just play. It doesn't have a condition, it would just play. So we can just finish this up, making all the different types of stuff we can put in, like short female or strong male. We can do that. I'll speed up the video so until I finish it. So I just finished putting in all the conditions. I'm not using is strong right now, but I might use it later on. This is what if statements are and what conditional logic is. So if he's male and he's short, it'll be a short male. And we can change this. If we run right now, if we run it right now, it'll print out this line and nothing else. You are a short male. And if we change this, say he is tall and a male, you can run it, and it'll say you are a tall male. We can make this false, so it's a female, and when it runs, we can see that you are a tall female. And we put false, false, you are a short female. And if we just take out all these, right, and play the else statement, we can see that the else statement, it'll play the else statement. You are not a male or female. But yeah, that's how you use if statements, else statements, and else if statements. In the next video, I'll make a calculator that you can use in Kotlin. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe. Bye.